Yeah, I feel it. Guilty. Guilty.
But I'm losing in the bed.